Dissecting the secrets of tilapia fish skin. Is it more powerful than human technology? Today, we're going to uncover a mystery hidden within something we often dismiss as kitchen scraps. It's thin, elastic, and even stronger than it looks. What is it? A sheet of tilapia skin. I won't just tell you to look. I'll take you inside, into a microscopic world you won't believe. Brace yourselves, because what we're about to discover will change the way you view fish forever. Mystery number 1, the secret of two-layered worlds. As soon as the scales are removed, you'll find not just one, but two layers attached. Look closely at the initial video. Above, there's a black mixed with dark gray. Below, it's actually a clear white, clean as crystal. Why are there two layers, and why are the colors so contrasting? This is where biological architecture begins. The dark top layer is the epidermis. But don't be fooled, the black color isn't purely its own. The epidermis is actually transparent, like clear glass. So why does it look black? Because in the layer below, in a palace called the dermis, there are living cells called melanophores. Imagine them filled with thick black ink. Because the glass above is clear, of course we can see the black ink gallery below. Meanwhile, the bottom layer itself, the dermis, is clear white because it is built of super strong protein fibers called collagen. This collagen is what naturally colors pearls. Mystery number 3. Why does the black layer escape so easily? Gently rub the black part. With just a light touch, it immediately peels off. How is this possible? Its cells continuously produce mucus, and when damaged by friction, it deliberately peels off. Why? Because underneath there is already a replacement army of new cells ready to fight. Fish don't need to bother healing the damaged epidermis. They simply shed it like a snake sheds its skin. This is a mechanism to keep parasites and bacteria at bay. Mystery number 4, the yellow dots, treasure above the night. Amidst the dense black and gray, your eyes are suddenly showered with tiny, bright yellow dots. Beautiful, sparkling. What is this? Is it dirt? Bacteria? No. Folks, you are staring at a treasure trove of natural dyes called xanthophora. If melanophora are black ink factories, then xanthophora are yellow paint factories. This is not a synthetic substance. Tilapia fish obtain this yellow pigment from their diet of algae and small crustaceans. Their bodies then store the carotenoids in beautiful sacs. It is a living canvas. The function of these dots? For environmental camouflage, or even for communication with other fish. On top of the skin we consider dirty. There is composed of biological gold. Mystery number 5, Codacopi in the clear bottom. We leave behind the black sky. We dive into the clear white layer beneath it. Wait, why are there light brown and dark brown spots here? Didn't you say that this layer is pure white? This is proof that the boundary between the black layer and the white layer is not as clear as we think. The melanophora cells that produce the black color in the top layer actually have legs or branches that penetrate into this collagen layer. Depending on the fish's mood and hormones, the melanin granules can spread out and look like a brown mist or collect into small dots. So, the brown color that you see in the clear layer is a sign that these pigment cells are resting or only semi-active. This is a sign that tilapia fish can actually darken or lighten their color slightly to adapt. Spectacular. Mystery number 6, mysterious circles, trapped water. And now look closely. In the clear white layer, there are perfect spheres. Is this water trapped inside the skin? What you see is most likely air bubbles. When preparing the skin on a microscope slide, air is trapped between the dense collagen fibers. The air cannot escape and forms a perfect dome. However, there is a second possibility. If the spheres are inside the tissue itself without moving, they are probably fat cells. Fish store energy reserves under their skin. These fats are in the form of clear globules that closely resemble water spheres. Mystery number 7, should we eat it? Nutrition, benefits, and dangers. What happens if we consume the skin of a tilapia fish? Absolutely. This thin skin is a nutrient-dense capsule. Its main ingredient is collagen. This is your skin's favorite food, helping maintain youthfulness and moisture. Then there's omega-3, the golden nutrient for your brain and heart. Don't forget vitamin E and selenium, natural antioxidants. What are the benefits? Healthy skin from within, speeds wound healing, and of course, provides a source of protein without having to chew a lot of muscle meat. Its savory taste, when fried, is a gift from nature. But can we eat it too often? Well, here's the trick. Tilapia fish skin is safe, as long as the fish is clean and fresh. But remember, if you always eat it fried in a lot of oil, you're not only consuming collagen, but also saturated fat from frying. This can increase cholesterol. The skin can also absorb heavy metal contaminants in polluted water. Fortunately, tilapia is a farm fish whose diet is controlled, making it much safer. Enjoy it, but don't make it a daily staple. Conclusion and closing. So, next time before you throw it away, remember this story. You have in your hands one of the strongest, most elastic, and most colorful materials the universe has ever created. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this cool science content, and share this video with everyone who still enjoys removing fish skin. See you in the next science mystery.